Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since y'all seen an update on this Yamaha R6, but I've been busy and honestly I just been throwing it to the side. But I got the full Yoshimura on there. That is a titanium system. And as I mentioned in a previous video, that is a used system. This particular R6, this is actually my first bike, and I wasn't going to put like a ton of money in here. I just wanted to do just a little simple setup just to kind of show, what these 600s are capable of. I did change the front sprocket, I did change the rear sprocket, and I got this 520 chain kit on it. I haven't tightened it or pushed the axle back just yet. The quick shifter is off of it. I was going to replace that. And well, not the quick shifter, the stock shifter. I was going to put a quick shifter on here. Now I did record me doing all of this, but my MacBook it crashed on me, so I have no way to get that footage until I get it back. So I'm just going to just pick up where I left off, and right now I'm just going to probably just put these fairings on the bike. Check out this nice Pitbull stand. Shout out to Pitbull for this amazing stand that I got here. And that's the front end of the R6. Alright, so as I mentioned, I'm finna start on the fairings. I just wanted to kind of go over them really quick. These are just some random fairings that I got off of eBay actually, and it's just like a matte gray and like a matte black. It's not nothing special. I don't even know if this is even like a brand, fairing kit or not. I'm not really sure. I just know I got it off of eBay, and so far, I mean, the quality looks pretty awesome. It's better than what I expected. But yeah, enough talking. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so I got the headlights out of the housing. So what I'm gonna do now is, this is the one that came with the kit. So I'm basically just gonna replace everything with what it came with, even though I can technically just keep this as it is. But I'm gonna just go ahead and just add it all to it anyway. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just replacing the housing with the pieces that came with the kit. All right, I got the headlights back into the new fairing. Like I say, it was this glossy black at first, and now it's like a matte gray. So we'll see how the final product turn out. As you can see, I got the front end of the bike on. I still got the glossy black front fender on, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the front fender that came with the kit. I'm coming to a stopping point for today, but I got the windscreen. I got the headlights back on. Got the front fender swapped out. I started putting on the rear panels, rear fairings, whatever you want to call it. Still got to swap the tail light over. I still got to put the little locking mechanism for the rear seat. And then throw the gas tank back on there. And put the quickshifter on, and then should be ready to go for a test ride. Still have to put the bolts back in the air intake too. I got a few missing, so I'm gonna have to go to the hardware store to get those replaced. But yeah, I'm loving this windscreen. It's clear, baby. So you're in full tuck mode. You see right through there. This is why in that video I posted talking about the simple mods to add, and the windscreen was one of them. I don't have the stock windscreen on hand right now, but it's a big difference in the actual height from the side compared to the stock one. So you got more room to tuck under it, so more air can flow over you to get rid of that wind drag. I'll put a link to that video up here just in case y'all want to check it out. But yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this matte gray yet. Like I said, I just needed some new fairings because the original ones flew off. My mistake. And this was just a cheap kit I found on eBay just to get me back going, because I'll probably end up getting it wrapped anyway. But yeah, it's coming along now, so it shouldn't be long. I should have this baby back together. And I'll do a little video riding it, tuning it, and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead. If you've been here more than one time, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like it, comment, tell me what you think. Tell me what I can do to improve the video, or, you know, all comments are welcome. And I got some shirts and stuff on there if any of you guys are interested in that. Help support the channel. Thanks.